Welcome to the Salmon Runs YouTube. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will show you how to mount your bike on a Wahoo Kickr. First, gather your essential tools. You'll need either a quick-release skewer or the appropriate thru-axle adapter for your bike and a torque wrench. Before anything else, ensure your bike's rear wheel is completely removed. Then, place your Kickr on a stable, level surface, ready for the next steps. This preparation is key for a secure and effective setup. Now, let's attach your bike. Identify the correct adapter for your bike's axle type, whether it's a quick release or a through axle. Carefully align your bike's rear dropouts with the Kickr axle. Gently lower your bike onto the Kickr, making sure the chain is properly seated on the Kickr cassette. Once aligned, insert the quick release skewer or through axle through the Kickr and your bike, then hand tighten it until snug. This ensures a preliminary hold. With your bike in place, it's crucial to finalize the connection securely. Use a torque wrench to tighten the quick-release skewer or through axle to the manufacturer's recommended specifications. This is typically around 5 to 7 Newton meters, but always check your Kickr manual. After tightening, give your bike a gentle shake to double-check that it is securely seated and stable on the Kickr. There should be no wobble or excessive movement, ensuring a safe ride. Before you start pedaling, let's do a few final checks. Verify that your bike's chain is properly seated on the Kickr cassette and that it moves freely. Perform a quick spin of the pedals by hand to confirm smooth operation and ensure there's no rubbing or unusual noises. Finally, connect your Wahoo Kickr to your preferred training app, like Zwift or Trainer Road, and you are all set to begin your indoor cycling workout. Enjoy your ride.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.